Okay, so I got a replacement e.s.c from Banggood because of the problems with the tail motor. I noticed before replacing it that I was also having problems with the main motor. It spools up and the speed varies without any input on the radio. So here we go. Tail is still a problem. It just sort of moves. The throttle. So idle up. Idle down. Wide variations in motor speed, and it does not directly respond to the position here. That's full throttle and the motor hasn't spooled up. It's erratic. I don't know where the problem is, but clearly it can't be a second faulty e.s.c.